Hello, in this video I will show you how to change FPS rate in CapCut. This is very simple and easy. So for example, you need to check in that on the right side where you can see the export, and here you can see that right now my frame rate is 60 FPS. So if you want to change it, click on the modify, and after that here you can see that the frame rate is 60 FPS. You can click on that and change it to 30 FPS and click on save. So here you can see that the frame rate has been changed to 30 FPS. So another method is that you need to click on the menu and go to the settings and then click on edit, and after that you need to again change the frame rate from 30 FPS to 60 FPS, and again I change it and save it. Another method is that you need to import the video to the timeline, and here you can see that, and after that you need to change, click on this button, and here you need to click on customs, and here you can change 30 fps to 60 fps and click on save. So when you export it, click on the export, and here you can see that frame rate, and you can also select the frame rate of your choice. Either it is 30 fps, 24 fps or 50 fps, whatever your choice is, and after that you can export. So I hope now you understand how to change frame rate in CapCut. If you think the video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.